Australia is a big place. Australia is a really big place. In the south of Australia, there is a cattle station called Anna Creek. It is 34,000 square kilometres in size. For comparison, the country of Belgium is only 30,000 square kilometres. So that means that there is a cow farm in Australia that is bigger than Belgium. That starts to give you an idea about how big Australia is. But to really understand the size of Australia, we have to go to Japan. Let me tell you a little story. On the 28th of May 1993, a massive seismic event was recorded in the middle of Western Australia. It was 170 times bigger than the largest mining explosion ever recorded. Truck drivers who were in the area reported seeing a massive ball of fire in the sky. It might have been an asteroid, but no crater was ever found. The police investigated, but they could find no explanation for the seismic event, so it was forgotten about. 2 years later, Aum Shinrikyo, the Japanese cult, released the nerve gas sarin in the Tokyo subway. It killed 12 people and injured over 1,000. Upon investigation, they discovered that Aum Shinrikyo owned the land where this mysterious seismic event happened. When they went there, they discovered a laboratory of unusual sophistication. They also discovered that Aum Shinrikyo had recruited 2 Soviet nuclear engineers and that they had been mining uranium. So it's possible that a group of amateurs detonated a nuclear bomb in the middle of Australia and nobody even noticed. That's a big place. Such a big country has massive extremes in climate. The hottest temperature ever recorded in Australia was 50.7 degrees. The coldest temperature was -23. That is a massive difference. So for Australians to predict and measure this type of climate, they needed to create a new type of weather station. And that is what we are going to be talking about today. How to tell the weather in Australian. Now, my mum is a very handy person, and she is going to help me to make an Australian weather station. So what tools do we need?
We need a tool belt first to assemble the tools. We need a fine tooth saw for cutting. We need hammer, Stanley, marker, and some other accessories which aren't tools.
Okay, so are we ready to make this thing?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, let's do it. We have finally finished making the weather station, and it took us quite a while, but I think the results are really spectacular. But before we show you the weather station, we need to talk about the vocabulary for weather in Australian English, in all English. So you know that a noun plus a Y is an adjective. So if there's a lot of sun, we can say it's sunny. If there are a lot of clouds,
Cloudy.
If there is lots of fog,
Foggy.
easy. So now we will show you the weather station and we'll show you how to use it, okay? Here we go, very exciting. Isn't she beautiful?
She's amazing.
Amazing. So basically we have our baseboard, our support nail, and our string, okay? And the string is the key, it's the key to the whole system.
The key to unlock.
The secrets of Australian weather. Now if you want instructions how to make this, okay, you can download them a PDF. Now the most important thing is how do you use this amazing device? So, Vonnie, what does it mean if the string is wet?
It's rainy.
Rainy. What if the string is moving a lot like this?
Windy.
What if there is a strong shadow of the string?
There would be a lot of sun, so it would be sunny.
And what if there's no shadow?
Cloudy.
Cloudy. What if you can't see the string?
You're blind. Oh, no. Foggy.
Foggy. What about if the string has disappeared? It's gone.
Cyclone.
And finally, what if the string is on fire?
You better get out of here, get your possessions and move on, because there's a bushfire coming.
So, if you want to understand the weather better, you should probably make one of these as soon as possible. Well, I hope that you found that class interesting. If you would like to see any more videos about the English language, then don't forget to subscribe. I'm Christian, this is Canguro English. I'll see you in class.